I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to see who you've blocked on TikTok. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then tap your profile icon on this screen. Step 2. Tap Menu on the next screen, and then tap Settings and Privacy in the menu that pops up. Step 3. Navigate to the Account section, and then tap Privacy in this section. Step 4. Scroll down to the Interaction section and then tap Blocked Accounts in this list of options. You'll see a list of users you've blocked on TikTok. If you ever have a change of heart and want to unblock someone, all you need to do is tap Unblock associated with that person. That person will be unblocked immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.